Internet and the rest of the world. Walk around with Ralph. I'm out today with my little favorite drones again, the HoverairX1 Promax. I got Bonnie out there doing the camera duties, and gonna let Clyde here run some of the tests that I'm gonna run. I'm just out seeing what we can do. To launch this thing, all you have to do is open her up, start it. And even in the brightest of suns, it'll tell you what mode it's in loud enough that you can hear it. That tells me it started. Right now it's in snapshot. Bird eye. I'm going to do an orbit right here, right now. Now this is an orbit. And as you can see, and I'll clip this in later, she's going to go around, measures out 20 feet, and then she goes around. Now we've got obstacle avoidance, which is good. Then she'll just come back and let me pick her up. Come here, critter. I got it set for hand signals to land. Now that was an orbit, 20 foot. We're going to do a bird eye. She's going to go up 50 feet. I got it set on flat, so it'll do a circle. And she's already up high enough, I can't see her. But I can see her shadow here on the ground. Now she's starting to come back down after going up to an altitude of 50 feet. It's got several functions that I won't use very much. One is ski mode and biking mode. I don't go biking or skiing that much, but I do go walking. Here she comes. Now then she'll just land in my hand. I'm still amazed by these. Zoom out. Now we're going to do a zoom out here. I'm going to stand right here so we can see it. I've got it to elevate. And that's what she'll do. She's going on a 30-foot zoom out. As you can see, she's up and out 30 feet. Then she'll just come straight back. This Promax is very precision as to where it flies and how. The red light's still on, okay. Landing in the hand. That's neater than pockets. Now, ski mode. Cycling mode. Ski mode. Follow. On follow. Follow. It literally does just exactly what it says. Whoop. Needed to get a better look at me. Okay, now in follow, she literally will just follow me around. Wherever I go. There we are. Come here, kid. And those are the modes I use the most. I'll get into more of them later on, maybe.
Sidetrack.
Sidetrack is an interesting one.
Middle. Sidetrack.
Now it'll follow me off to one side, as you can see, and it'll just stay with me until we get her done. Come here, Clyde.
Degree spin. Dolly view.
Now here's a cute one. Dolly zoom. And she's doing a 2.6 feet dolly zoom, which I think is just neat. That's Clyde. That's Clyde doing the dolly zoom. Come here. Okay, Bonnie. Let's call it a day for right now.